Hey, what's up guys? Josh here from RC Addiction, back with another video here. I wanted to make a little video, real quick video, on some ice tires, or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty simple. All it is just like a old tire, and then a piece of PVC pipe, and some self-tappers right here. So all you do, slide the tire in, self-tappers go in, however many you want, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and whip up the other three here, get them all set. We're gonna throw them on the slash here, take it out for a little run, see how it works.
We are heroes tonight.